Today, Lordship, only 19 years old girl will be arrested, Lordship, before being over. 2
Today,
p.m. Lordship already filed.
it's a bail.
It's a bill.
Under which sections?
318 and
318 and
316.
316.
Sir, I have prayer for tomorrow, my lord. Tomorrow your lordship will allow last day.
Tomorrow, Lordship. Same time.
Lordship, similar.
Oh, just a moment, just a moment. What type of case I'll have to, what type of case?
My case
My
is
lord, it's bail. My lord,
Bail.
tomorrow the bail matters will be distributed amongst all the court. Your lordship will know. Irrespective of sections, my lord.
Okay.
Similar to Lordship.
No, just a moment, just a moment. You'll have to mention before you send us junior. You'll have to send before the registry. Then only registry can distribute. Otherwise, if I fix here, then it will come before this court.
No, my lord.
If
Permission.
I fix,
No, it will not come. My lord. Permission your lordship may grant it, but it will be distributed by the registry.
Yes, Lordship.
are you sure?
Yes, sure, Lordship.
That's
I
always.
don't think so. I don't think
so
so.
it will be distributed amongst all the courts, my lord.
Any special acts?
No one.
No special acts.
Lordship, all the mentioned memos may be go to the registry. Registry will decide.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But not special acts. Special acts you'll have to mention before Justice Mitali. Okay, all right.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to, in item number 18, Lordship, I have filed one affidavit that may be called for, Lordship. In item number 18.
All right.
Lordship, same prayer for the item number 17, Lordship.
Lordship, same prayer, item number 4, Lordship. Yesterday.
May appeal, Lordship. I beg to item number 32, my lord. There is CD already received, my lord. Matter may be taken at after vacation, my lord. Bihu vacation, my lord.
32
Oh, 32.
40.
32 more.
Are you on interim bail?
Yes, yes.
I am not an interim bill, but arising of the out of same case, the Lordship, item 40. On the last occasion, my senior raised the matter, but item 30.
All right, all right. Item number 32 or
40.
40 minutes.
Yes.
42 interim order shall continue with the favor. 32 and 40. Hey to dia nai, cause list kon dia nai.
42 করাইলো 42 করাইলো 42
No,
30 and
32 and 40, Lordship.
okay.
May be taken up together, Lordship.
On?
No, upon Hungara coding of the petition of the 20.
There is an interim order, my lord. There is a
Yes, yes.
oblige.
CDB return back.
You will have to return.
Minor.
See, send back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD.
Minor. On
25th of
25th.
This affidavit may be brought on record, ma'am. This
Affidavit.
affidavit.
Why are you
Yes, yes.
filing so all?
Right.
Why are you filing affidavit?
Well, this
Vihan
matter is today in the today's list, my lord.
Everybody is filing affidavit. I think Vihan Kumar, that new plea you have taken up, I think.
No, it's not that, my lord.
May I please, your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of AB matters, Lordship.
Maybe
AB.
after vacation.
Lordship, same matter fixed for tomorrow, Lordship.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay. All right.
May I please, your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 3, Lordship. Kindly adjourn for the day. Kindly fix it after Bihu 22nd
Learned Counsel Miss
as suit
S. Suit on behalf of Learned Counsel Miss T. So
issue.
has paid for adjournment, list the matter.
Obliged, Lordship. May it please, your Lordship. Lordship, criminal revision between 35/25.
PJ Suki. You have to mention before PJ Suki. Hurry up. Others will be late.
Alright, Lordship. May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 14. I beg for adjournment, Lordship, because PM report was called for that has not been received.
Item number
14.
14.
Learned Counsel Miss S. Yasmin has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on 21,
After Bihu, date may be fixed.
24 April.
Lordship. Lordship, another matter, item number 29, Lordship, we have filed an additional affidavit that may kindly be brought into record.
Yes. Why everybody is filing additional affidavit?
Lordship, regarding medical document. Placed.
May I please, your Lordship. Your Lordship, back to item number 2, your Lordship. Item number 2 may be taken up along with item number 16, your Lordship. Today, sir. 16.
Okay.
May please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for item number 27. Lordship, matter may be taken at 2 due to some emergency, Lordship.
27.
27. Lordship, matter may be taken at 2, Lordship, due to some emergency, Lordship.
All right, at 2. At 2, I have judgment. Sorry. At 2, I have judgment. After 2.
After 2, Lordship.
5 minutes after 2.
No, oblige, Lordship. May it please your lordship. I recommend item number 7, my lord. Kindly agenda matter for today only.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
EU Khan.
You Khan has prayed for adjournment, list the matter on.
My lord, state may file objection there. If
Sure.
they-
Why?
State will file objection, maybe they are taking Vihan Kumar's plea.
You want to file complaint?
My lord, another prayer, my lord, in respect of item number 22. Perhaps charge sheet has been submitted, my lord.
22.
22.
Heard Learned Counsel, Mr. You Khan for the petitioner. And Learned
Sergeant.
HPP, Mr. B. Sharma
My lord,
for the respondent state, who has submitted that charge sheet had been laid against the petitioner.
I charge sheet number 38 of 25, dated 28 to 25.
The petitioner is at liberty to, are you on?
Yes, my lord, I am
The
here in
petitioner is
interim, my lord.
directed to appear before the learned jurisdiction court stroke Alaka magistrate within 15 days and apply for bail which may be considered by the court in accordance with law. Till then, no coercive action to be taken.
Oblig. Lordship, item number 22, lordship.
20?
25.
Right.
Lordship, can it be on 22nd, lordship?
CD
After
receive, my
adjournment.
CD is German.
25, no?
Yes,
Learned Counsel, Mr.
is it Ahmed?
Azad Ahmed has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on 27th April,
22nd.
22nd April. We'll send back the CD.
My lord, after the CD.
CD is received, send back the CD.
My lord.
Call for the up-to-date CD. Are you on interim bail?
No, lordship.
No. Item 1.
May, my lord, this is my lord the 483 application. Now lordship will find my lord the FIR at page 10.
Hmm.
Now as on date, my lord, they are in custody for
Counted. That is the allegation.
How many days you are behind bars?
I am 18 days.
You have any materials against them?
Yes, my lord. What happened, my lord? A person, my lord, he was coming with my lord, his own cattle, my lord. 7 numbers of cattle, my lord. Now, my lord, they are being the police official, my lord. They took all the cattle to the police station, my lord. Stating that, my lord, these are stolen cattle, my lord. You have to produce document, my lord. In the police station, my lord, they have demanded money, 50,000 rupees from the poor man, my lord. Now, my lord, as per the direction of the, my lord, petitioner in item number 31, my lord. He is the OC, my lord, officer in charge of the police station, Satyajit Bora, my lord. He instructed the other police official, my lord, who are the subordinate police officer, and directed them to, my lord, to demand rupees 50,000 rupees. Ultimately, my lord, the poor man, he has to pay rupees 21,000, my lord. After that, my lord, Azhar was lost, my lord, and these 3 persons are, my lord, apprehended, my lord, and the OC, my lord, he is anticipating arrest, my lord. So I have strong objection, my lord. Lordship may
Has he been
Perus-
suspended? OC?
Yes, lordship, he has suspended lordship. What happened this day?
All
Although
right,
lordship,
just a moment.
No, my lord, at least
He is
then, my,
suspended.
no, my lord, even then also, my lord, there are materials against him, my lord. Because he is the person, my lord.
I understand, but he's under suspension. He will face the trial.
yes, lordship, I will face the trial, lordship.
He's under suspension already.
Yes, lordship.
He is complicit, no doubt about it.
The
But
question,
he has
question
been
is, my lord, only as per his direction, my
You
lord.
see, he, being a police officer, so when he has committed an offense, he's been suspended. So calling him into custody,
The question is that, my lord, question is that, my
He
lord,
will
he is the officer in charge of the police station, my lord.
as it is, he
So
will
all the police officials will be, my lord, it is very well known to him, or my lord, he will be subordinate to the, my lord, this officer in charge, my lord.
as it is, he won't cooperate. He-
So, my lord, at this stage, my lord, I am opposing this bail application, my lord.
Behind bars, how can you expect that he will cooperate?
No, I am not saying that, my lord, he will, my lord, but he will be behind bar, but my lord, if he is protected, my lord, he will not cooperate. with
I'm
the
ready to
investigation.
cooperate, lordship. I am suspended, lordship. What more, lordship?
Suspended, my lord, that is,
Because
my
they
lord,
are the lordship.
I understand very
Yes,
well.
Lord.
But you'll
suspension
cooperate,
is, my lord,
Yes.
suspension, my lord, is that he will not only attend the, my lord, police station, my lord. But question is that, my lord, if he is not, if he is given the protection of pre-arrest bail application, my lord, he will not cooperate with the investigation, my lord.
Said, lordship. This is a
Because,
presumption, lordship.
because lordship
Because
may
he is
kindly
ready,
say,
lordship. He has
there are,
lordship.
there are
Reserve, lordship.
materials, there are materials in the
Yes,
case diary, my
lordship.
lord. If there are no materials, my lord, only suspicion, my lord, his name
Lordship,
has been
let-
there, my lord. Because it is,
Sir, what is the gravity of the offense?
give it to my lord, the cows, my lord, I have already submitted, my
I
lord.
understand he is.
Yes, sections are my 3082, my lord, and 61(2), my lord.
There is a extortion, lordship. He has not received anything, lordship. Only because of lordship. Those are the lordship.
That I won't believe you, not at all.
Lordship, those
I
are the
won't believe
lordship
you. I'm
cow
just
smuggler,
asking
lordship.
The gravity of the offense, no point. are doing. I am willing to grant you.
Question is that a
Yes,
poor man,
Lordship,
my
I'll
lord.
leave it, Lordship, I am
A
obliged.
poor man, my lord, he is carrying his own cow cattle, my lord.
Understand, but what
Now
is the
village, my
severity
lord,
of the-
they used to, my lord,
under
take
which
the
section he is booked?
cattle, my lord, to the paddy field, my lord. Now, my lord, while returning from the paddy field, my lord, they took the my lord, all cattle, my lord, to the police station, my lord. And in the police station, my lord, they demanded money, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly peruse the statement of the person, my
Very
lord.
serious allegations.
Yes,
against
because he became, my lord, he is a police person,
you.
my
Let me
lord.
see the CD.
Yes, my lord.
My friend is vehemently objecting, Lordship, because I don't know, Lordship, since this Lordship police inspector already been suspended only because of the allegation, Lordship. Allegation has not been proved till that, Lordship. Let him face the trial, Lordship. Let them submit the charge sheet, Lordship. If anything they have found, they have cogent evidence, Lordship. Let them file the charge sheet, Lordship. I'm ready to face the trial, Lordship.
7 years.
Yes, Lordship. 7 years
7 years.
punishment, Lordship.
And the other one, 61 is 34. Let me
30.
see the CD.
My lord, yes.
The ones who were working under him, they were arrested already.
They are arrested, my lord, because
But
my
the
lord.
prime accused.
Yes, prime accused, my lord.
He's
Because
escaping.
only, my lord, why I'm opposing, my lord. As per his direction, my lord, it was demanded, my lord. Money was. It is not that, my lord, the subordinate officer, my lord, they demanded money, my lord. He asked them to demand money, my lord. Now, how can he be, my lord, released on pre-arrest bail, my lord? Just because of that, he has been suspended.
You have not submitted. Why you have not submitted the charge sheet, Lordship? If it is their Lordship, why not submitted the charge sheet, Lordship? It is not that you cannot show this person as a absconder, Lordship. You can easily submit the charge sheet, Lordship.
And now, my lord, he is calling the informant, my lord, to, my lord, to withdraw the case, my lord. Lordship may peruse the, my lord, statement of the witnesses also, my lord.
I'll just see. Demanding the witness to withdraw the case.
Yes, my lord, withdraw the case or, my lord, to delete his name, my lord, from the informant, from the FIR, my lord. He is an officer inside of the police station, my lord. He gets a, my lord, very serious duty, my lord.
Now, Lordship, you will have to face the double punishment, Lordship.
No, my lord,
In
we are
one
not
action,
concerned,
Lordship,
we are not
Lordship.
concerned about the suspension, my lord. Even the tomorrow suspension revoke also, my lord, we do not have any objection, my lord.
Then
But
why you suspend
as
this
far as, my
person,
lord,
Lordship?
this investigation is concerned, my lord, his
Because he is
interrogation is
under
very much
suspension,
important.
Lordship. He is suspension, Lordship. If required, Lordship, he will appear and, Lordship, cooperate with the investigation, Lordship.
Yes, they, all the money was taken by him only.
Then
No, Lordship, means the forwarding.
I am
report
submitting,
is
my lord,
Lordship.
whatever I have
Lordship,
submitted, I am
Lordship,
submitting on the basis of the
Lordship,
case diary, my lord.
that's why, Lordship, I have annexed the forwarding report, Lordship. Can you come to the
Forwarding
forwarding?
report-
It's
forwarding
your
report of the-
investigation. It is your
Forwarding report of the,
investigation.
my lord, other accused persons, my lord, who are arrested, my lord.
Yes, Lordship. What the forwarding report said, Lordship, ground of arrest, Lordship.
I don't want a forwarding report. I have the CD here.
Yes, Lordship, the forwarding report is there, Lordship. After preliminary investigation, what is there in the ground of forwarding report, Lordship?
He's the one who took all the money and then he paid them 5,000, 2,000.
Yes,
Lordship,
yes, my
can
lord.
you,
that
can
is
you
why, my
see
lord.
the forwarding report,
And
ground
my
of
lord,
arrest,
in
Lordship?
the event of, my lord, he is given interim protection also, my lord.
There is
He will, my lord, he will
protected,
manage
the
everything,
statement-
my lord.
the
He will,
statement
my
is
lord, he will
protected,
threaten the,
Lordship.
my lord, informant, he will threaten the other witnesses, my lord, because he is the officer inside of the police station, my lord.
Lordship, there is a
Question is
ground
suspension
of
is
arrest,
only, my
Lordship.
lord, suspension is only administrative part, my lord. We are not concerned about the suspension, my lord. Tomorrow he may be revoked also, my lord. That is not a problem, my lord. But as far as the investigation is concerned, my lord, we
And
require
then
his,
once
my lord,
suspension
custody
is
interrogation,
revoked,
my lord.
promotion and everything. Once suspension is revoked, he'll get promotion also.
Yes, my lord, he will definitely do, my lord. He is the officer in charge, my lord.
No,
He'll-
but it's true, there are materials against him.
Lordship, can you see the ground of arrest, first point, Lordship? What is there in the ground of arrest, Lordship? For the
No, but
accused
it
person.
was under his direction.
But that was not in the forwarding report, Lordship.
Maybe not.
That is not. When, Lordship,
But
after
now
preliminary
the-
investigation, Lordship,
But
this is
now
the.
the statements will have come up that.
Now, Lordship, one thing, Lordship, this is a 7 years punishment, Lordship. I am cooperate with the investigation, Lordship. 35(3) notice has not been issued, Lordship. He has to, this is a person of government servant, Lordship. He cannot flee away, Lordship. He cannot flee away, Lordship. Only to cooperate with the investigation and the face the trial, Lordship. Let prove his case in the, Lordship, if they file charge sheet, Lordship, Lordship face the trial, Lordship. Till that, Lordship. They can file the Lordship charge sheet, Lordship. If cogent evidence
The
is
question
against
is
me,
that, my
Lordship,
lord,
let them file the
investigation is pending, my lord, because the main accused, my lord, he is not
because
cooperating,
Lordship,
my
they
lord.
are
Investigation is
whatever,
pending.
Lordship, they-
They cannot force the police officer to,
they-
my lord, compel
whatever,
to file
Lordship, they are
charge
the actually, Lordship, cow lifter. They are the cow smuggler, Lordship. One way you are saying that you have to protect the cow, Lordship. Then another way, Lordship, when the police
No, if
inspector
they are
stick-
cow lifter, then, my lord, let
Yes.
them put behind the bar, my lord.
If
Seize
they
the
are
seize the cow, my lord.
He should not demand 50,000.
Yes.
No, Lordship,
Why-
that
why
demand, that is the
50,000?
allegation, Lordship. That too, the informant, Lordship, who has the Lordship involved in all such of trading, Lordship.
My lord, there are materials in the case there, my lord, so I am opposing, my lord, in this. Both the case, my lord, I am opposing, my lord. Let the investigation proceed, my lord.
Three persons I'll grant bail, but this person, I don't know.
Lordship, let me record my statement, Lordship. Then 7 days, Lordship, let the bihu go, Lordship. In the meantime, I will appear, Lordship. Because, Lordship, we are waiting for the entire year for this bihu festival, Lordship. Let, Lordship, he is on run. Lordship.
BO will come
He
every
is
year,
on
my lord.
run.
Every year BO will come, my lord.
Lordship, he is on run, Lordship. Kindly protect for some days, Lordship. After any adverse come, Lordship, let me, Lordship, place my case also, Lordship. Allow me to record my statement, Lordship. What is there?
If there is
That,
no-
then
Just
that
a
it will
moment,
be.
Just a moment. I'll first take care of the BA.
If there is no material, my lord, then lordship may peruse the case there, my lord, grant. There are material, my lord, that has been collected, my lord.
It's one side investigation, Lordship. One side investigation. When my part is there, Lordship. Let me appear and let me record my
His
statement,
part
Lordship.
is already there, my lord, because he has been
But
implicated, my lord. He is the person, my
if-
lord, who took the money, my lord.
If it is against me, Lordship, why they have not filed the charge sheet, Lordship? Why they are taking time, Lordship?
You will know better.
That is, Lordship.
You
Let
are the
me,
police
let me,
officer.
Lordship, let me
I'll
record
take
my
care of
statement,
the
Lordship.
BA
Yes.
first. Third learned counsel, Mr.
L Google.
Hmm?
L Google.
L. Gogoi for the petitioners, Tinjan Asset, who have filed this application under section 483 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for bail as they are apprehending arrest in connection with so and so PS case. Oh, no, with prayer for bail as they are behind bars
Plus.
since
22/3/2025.
when?
22/3/2025.
22/3/2025 in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections. Had Mr. R.J. Borwa, learned edition 50 Assam. The allegation against the petitioners is that they have demanded money from being police officers. They have demanded money from poor cattle traders. Cattle traders
My lord, he is the owner of the kettle, my lord.
from the poor cattle owner.
Yes, my lord.
from the poor cattle owner, informant of this case. The learned additional PP has raised serious objections stating that there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioners. I have scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioners. The CD reveals that the petitioners have cooperated with the investigation. It appears that bail may be granted to the petitioner. The petitioners are enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 each with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the Hanegaon will be Lakhimpur, no?
CGM Lakhimpur.
CGM Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur, under the condition that the petitioners shall refrain from such activities with which they are alleged. On breach of any of the bail conditions, the court is at liberty to cancel the bail granted to the petitioner. So much of resistance, what to do with the AB?
Of Lakhimpur.
So much of resistance, what to do with the AB?
No, but AB, I am a strong objection, my lord, because there are materials.
So objection can be recorded, Lordship. He has
No, no, my
objected
lord.
that
My
much.
objection is not to give
Let-
him, my lord, previous bail application. Because
Let's
there are
not add
materials
limit to
collected, my
Lordship
lord. There
because
could be a-
Lordship
there could
one-sided
be a bad
investigation
knowledge
has
to the
done.
society, my lord.
They have not given me scope to Lordship appear and record my statement, Lordship.
Because,
43, Lordship, 35(3) notice was not issued, Lordship, to me.
my lord, ultimately it will be.
Because the
it will be-
7 years punishment, Lordship.
My lord, ultimately it will be a notice to the society that, my lord, the police constable, they are arrested, my lord, and he being the police officer in charge of the police station, my lord, he got the previous bail, my lord.
Why
That
not?
will be-
notice
Because there
that?
are materials
What
in
is-
that. Only because
what is
of
the
his
reason
direction, my
that,
lord.
Lordship, they are after me
His
without
direction,
issuing
my
the
lord, his
notice, Lordship.
subordinate has demanded money, my lord. That part is very important, my lord.
Then what about the Lordship, the guideline of the Arnesh Kumar, Lordship? 7 years punishment, they have to issue the notice, Lordship, give him a scope to cooperate to the investigation, Lordship. That they have not given, Lordship.
It is at the very beginning stage, you'll get the notice.
They have not given, Lordship. Lordship, they have not given, Lordship.
I
Let
cannot
the
think straight now, I'll be rejected.
Lordship.
I'll let you
Lordship.
ponder over it then, give me some time
Yes, Lordship. Then
in the afternoon.
yes, Lordship.
I'll pass an order in my chamber peacefully.
Lordship. Probably it is in
Keep
ICU,
the
Lordship.
CD with me, huh?
It is in ICU that.
ICU, yesterday, 3 orders came out from the ICU. that day.
Highly obliged, Lordship. Lordship, another prayer, Lordship, item number 33, Lordship, case diary is not there, Lordship. Let it come after vacation, Lordship.
Okay,
33 not received, my lord.
CD as call for is not received, issue reminder, list the matter on.
Highly obliged.
Sorry, case diary was called for, Lordship, the regular bill. Case diary available. And one of the person was granted bail, Lordship, the order was there. It is on different footing, Lordship, though the forwarding report was same, Lordship. Basically, the allegation is the missing of a truck, Lordship, which has been stolen, Lordship. The FI, Lordship, will find on page 8, Lordship, of the item number 19, Lordship.
Item number 19 and 45.
And 19, page 8 is the FI, Lordship.
Informant is Ajay Borman
Lordship.
and accused is Rasidul Alam and
Rasid, two persons are there, Lordship, in item 19,
No.
Rasidul Alam and Noor Ali.
yes, Rasidul Alam and Noor Ali.
Lordship, here the case is that two persons are there. One is Rizaul Ali and Abu Bakr. They have stolen the vehicle, Lordship, firstly. Then the role of this person, this Rasidul, and another person is also with him, that is Moidul. And they have arranged, they have taken the custody of this stolen vehicle, and paid the main persons, this Riazul and Abu Bakr, who have stolen the vehicle, 60,000 rupees, Lordship. And then this Riazul, Rasidul, he again held provided one recovery vehicle, Lordship, that is that crane, green color crane, Lordship.
Okay. Oh, that case.
That case, Lordship, that also given 10,000. So this person, Rasidul, then called another petitioner, that is Nur Hussain, Lordship. He deals in scrap articles, Lordship. He then arranged the location for dismantling this truck, then sent to Meghalaya. And in Meghalaya, Ainul and Nazrul, both of them dismantled this vehicle, Lordship. And the second two petitions, that is 45, the two persons, Lordship, these two persons owned one vehicle, that is HR, it is written some, Lordship, in the FIR also. They arranged this vehicle, Lordship. They are the owner of this vehicle.
The owner and driver.
Owner and driver of the vehicle. They were given the task to transport the scrap of this dismantled vehicle outside Assam. Outside Assam, Lordship. So this is an organized crime, Lordship. All of them are doing their part, role in this whole organized crime, Lordship. This is going on. It is serious, Lordship.
How many days you are behind bars?
Arrested on 33, Lordship. Today, as on
Only
12
for 8
days.
days. 10 days.
12 days.
You?
Same for what?
Same forwarding, Lordship.
But
Allegation is serious.
allegations and serious, moreover, Lordship, material are also there.
How many witnesses have been examined?
These two persons, this Raizul Ali and Abu Bakr, they are absconding, Lordship.
They have removed the vehicle from the parking lot,
Parking lot.
but you have paid 60,000. For the vehicle.
Local person, 10,000. We cooperate with the investigation. As and when-
Green color flag to jayase.
Well, look,
Continue.
Green color flag mark for this.
Once you are on bail again, you'll continue. your
Lordship,
trade.
then how we are arrested, Lordship? Police will find us. Lordship, conditions are strict, Lordship.
This is a new truck or an
New
old
truck.
truck.
Old truck,
Old
Lordship,
truck.
it has been sold out as a scrap, Lordship. As per the, as we can find from the records.
I cannot state on that, Lordship. Old or new, it is not written there.
The RC gun poor nine.
Mhm.
RC gun of 2 level.
Okay,
City RC gun 9.
okay. Theft is theft, old or new.
না না RC দুলাই যাব
Yeah, it may be.
কিরিয়নো তো থাকবো RC খন গাড়িখনরে কেস
Yes, yes. In working in tandem,
Lordship. In few pages before also, it is clearly given, Lordship.
all of them.
All of them are there.
Okay then. Sanjeev Kumar, Sunny,
Lordship, in item,
Ravi Arora, all of them.
Hmm.
Noor Islam, Rosidu. Everybody.
They're working in an organized manner, Lordship.
Third Learner Council, Mr. 19, you are as Munir for the petitioners, Duta Belek Belek, who have filed this application under section 483 of the BNSS 2023 with prayer for bail as they are behind bars since 30/3/2025 in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections. Part Mr. KK Das, Learner Additional PP Assam. A truck was stolen from the parking at Sai Baba Mandir Road. And it was reduced to scrap. And thereafter, the scrap was transported to be sold. It is submitted by the learned additional PP that they are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. They have been acting, they have been involved in an organized crime of stealing trucks and dismantling the truck into scrap material and selling the iron scrap
Outside Assam.
outside
Assam.
Assam. I also scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials in the case diary. The petitioner case diary that the petitioners are complicit. Investigation has progressed substantially. It appears that further custodial detention may not be required for the progress of investigation. The petitioners have also pledged to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation and to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon them. Considering all aspects, the petitioners are enlarged on bail of 30,000 each with a suitable security of like amount to the satisfaction of the
CM Kamrup Metro.
under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. That Haryana persons, what to do with them? Will they be able to appear every fortnight?
Lordship, they live in tentative house in
Okay.
Lordship, Khanapara, Lordship.
The petitioners shall refrain from such activities with which they are alleged, and the petitioner shall on breach of any of the bail conditions, bail order, the court is at liberty to immediately cancel the bail granted to the petitioner. Do it at a local surety lihiba, suitable surety no, local surety lihiba. Send back the CD. 45 to AK order, khali headi.
Lordship, my name is
Naam kita beleg.
R. Islam.
Aro advocate or naam hol?
R. Islam.
RS?
R. Islam.
R Islam.
Much obliged, Your Honor.
Obliged.
Much obliged. Much.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is a case of lordship land dispute, lordship. What has happened, lordship? The petitioners and the complainants are relatives, lordship. What has happened? An FIR was registered on 5/3/2025 by the sister-in-law of the present complainant, lordship. Thereafter, the petitioner approached this honorable court, and the petitioner was granted interim bail by this honorable court on 17/3/2025, lordship. It is a page, lordship, 32, bail order, lordship.
And then?
Thereafter, lordship, what had happened in the bail order, it was directed to appear before the IO within 7 days, lordship. Along with the certified copy, the petitioner appeared before the IO several times, but he did not receive the certified copy. Thereafter, the petitioner was called on 27/3/2025, lordship. Then he was arrested in connection with another case, similar set of allegations, lordship, and he was arrested on 27/3/2025.
The CD?
Yes,
27/3/2025, lordship.
let him complete, my lord.
No, it's okay.
Lordship, he was arrested on 27/3/2025 on one allegation is also added there. The husband of the complainant committed suicide because of his instigation, lordship. But his husband committed suicide on 27/2/2025 before the first FIR was registered, lordship. Before the first FIR was registered, the husband of the complainant committed suicide, lordship. And lordship, there is in the present case, there is no instigation or abatement appears, lordship. It is simply a family dispute with regard to land, lordship. And lordship, recently also the son of the petitioner is recently admitted at the hospital, lordship. His condition is also not good, lordship.
Circuit is not submitted.
No, lordship, just FIR file, lordship. And lordship, kindly peruse my affidavit that I have filed today, lordship. They paise na copy. Here I have annexed the medical documents also in Annexer J, Kohli, lordship, page 62 of the son of the petitioner, lordship. And kindly peruse the section 47 notice, lordship. Vernacular is at page 59, lordship.
Where is your case?
Lordship.
FIR, where is the FIR?
FIR is at page, lordship. FIR is at page 35, lordship.
The present FIR?
Lordship. And it starts from page 38, lordship. And relevant part starts from page 39, lordship.
Okay, what do you have?
Yes, my lord, we have received the case diary, my lord. Now, lordship may kindly come to my lord, page number 39, my lord.
39 years.
39, my lord. It's a my lord, case of abatement, my lord, and why he has committed suicide, my lord. Lordship may kindly see page 39, paragraph number 3, my lord. I'm reading for the FIR, my lord, that on 23/2/2025, my husband came to know that some person illegally entered, trespassed and grabbed my husband's land on 25/2/2025 reached the plot of land along with his brother Partho and found that those people were constructing Katsa house. And when my husband and his brother asked those person as to how they were constructing house on his land, Then the accused person threatened my husband and his brother with dao, lathi, etc. and says them away, saying that তোৰ ভতিজা জোনমণিয়ে আমাক বহিব দিছে গতিকে তই একো কৰিব নোৱাৰ যি কৰ কৰিবি and বেছিকৈ আহিলে মাৰি পেলাম my lord. That was the threatening my lord. His my lord only plot of land has been grabbed by this person my lord, which was my lord done on the behest of this my lord Junmoni my lord. This is a petitioner my lord. That is why but this person has committed suicide my lord.
Lordship, the petitioner.
Because, my lord, they are the person, my lord. These are my lord own paternal property land, my lord. Now, my lord, he being the my lord relative, my lord, of the my lord accused person, my lord, he somehow, my lord, he is a big land broker, my lord. He somehow, my lord, handed over the land to these people, my lord, and he said that I am the my lord, I am the owner of the land, my lord. That is why, my lord, he has handed over the land, my lord, and asked them to occupy the land, my lord, illegally, my lord. That is why, my lord, out of sadness, my lord, because he has lost his only property, my lord, only plot of land which was belong to him, my lord. He committed suicide, my lord.
Lordship, regarding the land dispute, already FIR has been filed, Lordship. It was filed on 5/3, and the person committed suicide on 27/2, Lordship. And interim was granted on 17/2, Lordship. Thereafter, when he got the interim from this honorable court, Lordship, then the second FIR was filed, Lordship. Kindly see the date, Lordship, when the person committed suicide. He committed suicide on 27/2/2025, Lordship. First FIR was registered on 5/3, Lordship. Thereafter, he got interim bail. Thereafter, the second FIR was lost, Lordship, when he went to submit the certified copy, Lordship. In fact, the grounds mentioned in section 47 and 48 are different, Lordship, totally, which is reflected from my affidavit itself, Lordship. Vernacular is page 59, Lordship, section 47 notice, Lordship.
And my lord, there are other accused persons also, my lord, who are involved in this case. They are yet to be arrested, my lord. So at
Lordship,
this
there
stage,
is a
my lord, I am
separate
opposing,
thing,
my
Lordship.
lord.
I am got
Because
interim.
he is the person, my lord, the person already, my lord, the husband of the informant already died, my lord. Now it will be easier for him, my lord,
Lordship, kindly
to grab the
consider
entire land, my
he
lord.
died way back, Lordship, before the first FIR was lost, Lordship. Kindly peruse page 59 of my affidavit, Lordship. Here grounds are different. In section 47, another ground, section 48, another ground, Lordship. Vernacular, Lordship. And section 48 notice is at page 61, Lordship. No signature of the accused person, Lordship. Page 61, Lordship.
Let me see the CD.
Yes, my lord.
And what is your son suffering from?
Lordship, Lordship, he has been recently admitted at he having multiple skin lesia, Lordship. He was admitted on 3/4, Lordship. I have
What is skinless here?
Lordship, he skin lesia means, Lordship, there are multiple means, Lordship, boil type comes out from the skin, Lordship. That previously also he went for treatment in the Apollo Hospital, Chennai, Lordship. That document I have also annexed in the bail petition, Lordship.
My lord, this is the discharge certificate. No, he is already discharged, my lord.
Lordship, yes, I admitted
He was
that fact,
admitted, he
Lordship.
was treated, then he was discharged.
Lordship, I admitted that fact, Lordship. But he is undergoing treatment from the Apollo Hospital till that, Lordship. Grounds not clear in section 47 and 48, Lordship. Neither signature of the petitioner was taken, Lordship.
Grounds of arrest.
Lordship. 59 and 61 page number, Lordship. 59 is section 47 notice and 61 is section 48 notice, Lordship.
Very clear.
Can I
clear,
go
my
to
lord.
61 page, Lordship?
My lord, 59, my lord, ground of arrest is very clear, my lord.
আপোনাৰ সম্পত্তি আনৰ সম্পত্তি অধিকাৰ কৰা চালনা কৰি নি দাবী কৰি আনৰ সম্পত্তি লোৱা অপৰাধী ষড়যন্ত্ৰৰে আত্মহত্যা কৰিবৰ কাৰণে প্ৰৰোচনা কৰা অপৰাধী।
My lord, 59, lordship, apparently 59, my lord.
Very clear.
Lordship, signature also not taken, Lordship.
My lord, at this stage, I am opposing, my lord. Let the investigation proceed, my lord.
Lordship, with any condition, Lordship, because
Today,
Because
today,
kindly
my lord,
see
he
the
was
death-
arrested
death-
on 10/4, my lord.
death
So
of
I'm
death,
sorry, my
Lordship.
lord.
Kindly
Today is
peruse
15th
death
days,
of
my
death, Lordship. Kindly peruse the death of the person concerned, Lordship. And the first FIR, Lordship, which is at page 17, Lordship. Page 20, Lordship, 5/3/2025, Lordship. It was filed by the brother-in-law of the complainant, Lordship. And interim was granted on 17/3, Lordship.
Not now. Rejected now.
Lordship,
You come after a few days, not now.
but Lordship, first FIR was lodged on 5/3, Lordship. Kindly see the date and person died on 27/2, Lordship. Kindly peruse page 21, Lordship, for a minute. Page 20, Lordship, of the bail petition, Lordship. Page 21 of the bail, page 20 of the bail petition, Lordship.
My lord, after the incident, my lord, he committed suicide, my lord. 23 to my lord, he went to the plot of land, and 27 to he committed suicide, my lord.
Lordship, kindly see the date at page 20, Lordship, 5/3/2025, Lordship. And the facts are here in page 21, Lordship. Facts are here, Lordship, at page 21, Lordship. First information, contents, Lordship. It is 5/3, Lordship, after the death of that person, Lordship. And after 17/3, when he got the interim relief from this honorable court, Lordship, then the second FIR was filed on 24/3, Lordship. It is an admitted fact that land dispute is there, Lordship. It is an admitted fact, Lordship, because they are from the same family, Lordship. And they are several brothers, Lordship. The first FIR was filed by the Partho, Lordship, that brother of the complainant, Lordship, in the present case, Lordship. It is at page 21, Lordship. Brief is also.
My lord,
there.
it is not a normal land dispute, my lord. It has compelled a person to commit suicide, my lord.
There must be some
Abatement part is there,
instigation
no?
or abatement, Lordship. If he has committed suicide on 27/2,
There
then
are many land cases, my lord.
Lordship, why
Lordship will find every day, my lord, there are many land cases, my lord.
in
But it is not
5/3
that, my lord, a person has been, my lord, abated to commit suicide, my lord.
why in 5/3 nothing is there about the abatement of the of the abatement of suicide of that person, Lordship? His brother has lost his FIR, Lordship. 5/3, Lordship. Page 20 and page 21, Lordship. Immediately after getting the interim relief, Lordship, their second FIR has come, Lordship. On 24/3, Lordship. And he was arrested on 27/3, Lordship. After an investigation officer called him that bring the certified copy, I will receive
Just a
today.
moment.
Lordship.
Please sit down, just a moment.
Lordship.
The page 35 is the second FIR.
Lordship,
And page, where the first FIR is at? Page?
Lordship, it starts from page 17, Lordship,
Page 17
Lordship,
is the first FIR.
Lordship, and
So
vernacular.
there is nothing relating to.
No, Lordship,
suicide or
no.
death.
Vernacular from page 23, Lordship. In fact, in the facts of the case, Lordship, kindly peruse page 21. Can I go through it, Lordship?
No, I don't know why I'll go into all this evidence.
Lordship.
One FIR was filed by the brother and
Brother,
one
then,
FIR was filed by the wife.
no. First FIR was filed by the brother-in-law of the complainant, Lordship.
Complainant's brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law, Lordship. And it,
Complainant's brother-in-law, and the other FIR was filed by his wife.
yes, Lordship.
No, brother-in-law of the complainant.
First FIR was
Brother-in-law of the complainant.
complainant, Lordship. Brother of the deceased.
Brother of the deceased. Brother of his own brother.
Lord, his own brother.
That is what I'm asking.
Lordship. Partha, Lordship.
And then other FIR was filed by his wife.
Wife, Lordship.
First FIR said page.
Page, Lordship. Page, Lordship, vernacular is at page 23, Lordship. And it starts from page 24, Lordship.
Please read.
প্ৰথম পক্ষ উপৰোক্ত ঠিকনা এলেকাৰ স্থায়ী লোক হয়। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ প্ৰথম পক্ষ একে পৰিয়ালৰ লোক হয় আৰু ভাই ককাই হয়। পৃথকে বা পৰিয়ালৰ পৃথকে পৰিয়ালৰ লগত বসবাস কৰি থাকে। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ এজন দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ পৰিচিত লোক হয়। Two persons, Lordship. নিম্ন তপচিধাৰী মাটি প্ৰথম পক্ষৰ চিতা নামৰ ম্যাদী পট্টাৰ মাটি হয়। পিতাৰ ফালৰ ম্যাদী পট্টাৰ মাটি হয়। চৰকাৰী ৰাজহ বৰ্তমানলৈকে নিজ নামতেই বৰ্তমানলৈকে নিয়মিতভাৱে পৰিশোধ কৰি ৰখা হৈছে। নিম্ন
You cannot read Assamese, no?
Lordship, I can, but it is. And
Then
Lordship,
why you are asking me to read?
Lordship, no, Lordship. I can, but
Yes, please read. Read. You cannot read and you are asking me to read.
Lordship. নিম্ন তফসিল মাটি নিম্ন তফসিল বৰ্ণিত মাটি এজমালি বাটাৰ মাটি হয়। তফসিল বৰ্ণিত মাটি একে পাট্টাৰে পৰিয়ালবৰ্গৰ নাম চামিল হৈ আছে। এক নং দ্বিতীয় তফসিল মাটিৰ পৰা মৃত পিতৃৰ নামেৰে সমুদায় নিজ অংশৰ মাটি অন্য লোকক এইটো কি লিখিছে বহিব দি বিক্ৰী কৰি দিছে। পট্টাদাৰ মৃত পিতৃৰ নামটো উক্ত পট্টাত এইটো কি লিখিছে মাত্ৰ অলুভুক্ত হৈ আছে। তফসিল মাটিৰ ১ নং দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ কোনো স্বত্ব অধিকাৰ নাই। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ কোনো স্বত্ব অধিকাৰ নাই। নিজ নামৰ পাট্টা বা চৰকাৰী ৰাজহ পৰিশোধ কৰাৰ পাৰামিক সত্যৰ প্ৰতিলিপি বা নথি পত্ৰ নাই। এনে ক্ষেত্ৰত প্ৰথম ১ নং দ্বিতীয় পক্ষই দ্বিতীয় পক্ষক তিনি পৰিয়ালবৰ্গক নজনোৱাকৈ গাঁৱলীয়া বিক্ৰীনামা যোগে বিক্ৰী কৰি দি মাটি দখল কৰি লৈছে। 1 নং দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ পৰা গধুৰ পৰিমাণৰ টকা লৈ মাটি দ্বিতীয় পক্ষক দখল চমজি দিছে। উক্ত ঘটনা প্ৰথম পক্ষগণে আৰু পৰিয়ালবৰ্গই জানিব পাৰি ঘটনা স্থানলৈ গৈ ঘটনা দেখা পায় বেৰা আদি ভাঙি যোৱা ইংৰাজী 23/2/2025 তাৰিখে তফচিল বৰ্ণিত মাটিত পৰিয়ালবৰ্গৰ সহায়ত ঘৰ দুৱাৰ নিৰ্মাণ কৰি বেৰা জপৰা আদি মাটি নিজ দখললৈ নিছে। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষগণে উক্ত ঘটনাৰ বিষয়ে জানিব পাৰি 23/2/25 তাৰিখে ৰাতি প্ৰথম পক্ষগণৰ পৰিয়ালবৰ্গৰ অজ্ঞাতে ঘৰ দুৱাৰ ভাঙি বিস্তৃত ক্ষতি সাধন কৰে। উক্ত ঘটনা আজি 23/2/25 তাৰিখে প্ৰথম পক্ষগণে আৰু পৰিয়ালবৰ্গই দেখা পায় বাধা প্ৰদান কৰিলে পক্ষৰ মাজত ঘটনাৰ সন্দৰ্ভত সমান্তৰালভাৱে মহোদয় গোচৰ তৰিবলৈ বাধ্য হৈছো যিহেতুকে দ্বিতীয় পক্ষগণে চোকা দা কোঠাৰ প্ৰথম পক্ষগণক নিৰ্মাণ বাধা ঘৰ দুৱাৰ ভাঙি বৃষ্টিৰ ক্ষতিসাধন কৰিছে। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষগণে বৰ্তমানো নিম্ন তফচিল মাটি ৰাখি নিজ দখললৈ নিবৰ বাবে চোকা অস্ত্ৰ লৈ ঘূৰি ফুৰিছে। বাধা দিলে প্ৰাণহানি কৰাৰ ঘটনাৰ সন্দৰ্ভত ঘটনাৰ প্ৰস্তুতি
Okay. No.
In this FIR, in this complaint also, my lord, it is specifically mentioned date of incident on 23/2, my lord.
Third learned counsel, not at this juncture later.
Lordship.
Not at this juncture later, after beautification. I'm rejecting the bill now. You file a fresh bill petition later, subsequent bill petition. Third learned counsel, Mr.
Keyboard letters.
Item number 18. P.
Board letters.
Oh, Nirola's name is also written.
Lordship.
P. Bodole and learned counsel Miss N. Nirola for the petitioner Dunmani Das, who has filed this application under section 482 of the 483 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for bail as is behind bars since 27/3/2025 in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. Third, Mr. R.J. Purva, learner, additional PP Assam. The allegation against the petitioner is that he has induced the victim to commit suicide as the petitioner has as the petitioner along with the other accused have grabbed the victim's land forcefully, and thereafter when the victim tried to resist, he was assaulted in the process. Full stop. The learned additional PP has submitted that there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. I have also scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. At this juncture, petition with prayer for bail is rejected as investigation is still under progress. Considering all aspects, rejected, no? Considering all aspects, petition is rejected at this stage. Send back the CD.
May I please, your lordship, pre-arrest bail application.
This would go to the appropriate bench, my lord. Section 6 of POCSO has been added, my lord, during investigation.
Have I refused rejected bail?
Judgment and order. Item number 1, WPC 7602 2018.
The impugned order does not call for any interference. Petition is dismissed as the petition elects merit. Interim order and protection granted to the petitioner earlier on 16/11/2018 stands vacated.
Obliged.
Item two, criminal 340 of 2023.
Sanjeev Talukdar is enlarged on bail on following conditions on execution of bond of rupees
Much.
1 lakh with 2 sureties, and there are certain
My
conditions.
lord, we looked into, my lord, much obliged, my lord.
We do.
Much obliged. We'll take you, yes.
Before appropriate bench.
Much
This-
obliged.
Procedural is this matter before the appropriate bench. We have got affirmed by the registry.
Obliged.
Item 24,
May I please your lordship? Lordship is a pre-arrest bail application, my lordship, and case diary was called for, my lordship.
You have the case diary?
Case diary received, my lord.
Yes. Where is the FIR?
My lordship, FIR is page number 9, my lordship. I am not named in
On
the
what
FIR.
grounds you are asking, seeking bail?
May I please your lordship? Page 9 is the FIR, my lord. This is registered under, my lord, 310 to 118 one of the BNS, my lordship. I am not the named in the FIR, my lordship. Even the, my lord, on the day of the Alice incident, my lordship, kindly see, my lord, page number 13, my lord. My lordship, Perros, my lord, kindly 13, page
What
number.
do you have in the FIR? Just a moment.
My lord.
What do you have?
There
Oh, sorry, in the CD is not FIR.
are
CD.
sufficient material, my lord. What happened, my lord, one person, my lord. He, my lord, he took, my lord, around 15 cow, my lord, for the purpose of selling, my lord. Then he sold around, my lord, nine cow in the market, my lord. Then thereafter, my lord, we could not sell the other remaining cows, my lord, cattle. So he was, my lord,
Returning.
to his residence, my lord, along with the cattle, my lord. Then, my lord, in the river, my lord, middle of the river, my lord, the accused person, my lord. Along with this accused person, my lord. They stopped the, my lord, boat, and they took the money, my lord, which was used. Which
He
was,
sold
my lord,
cattle,
in the cattle, my lord. And also the cattle, my lord, which was returned, my lord. All they have taken, my lord. So there are, my lord, sufficient material in the case diary.
11 cows and 6,000 rupees.
My lord, kindly see page number 13, my lord. The incident was happened, my lordship, on 15/10/2024, my lordship. And I was here in Guwahati, my lordship, to see my son-in-law, my lordship, and I was stayed in a hotel, my lordship, and I have annexed the hotel bill, my lordship. 14/10 to 16/10, my lordship. Since 8 a.m., my lord, I was in Guwahati, my lord. And the FIR, my lordship, it was an unknown person against my lordship. I am the reputed person of the locality, my lordship.
Shafiqul Islam?
Shafiqul Islam.
My lord, this is very important, my lordship. I am the reputed person of the locality, my lordship. When Barbeli contacted with the IO, my
He's
lord,
been implicated by the informant.
my lord, for my lordship,
When
The-
the, my lord, arrested
I am
accused
the-
also implicated.
Hmm?
Arrested accused person also implicated.
my lord, the co-accused statements are not admissible. My lordship is well aware of that, my lordship. Well aware of that, my lordship.
So
I am
why-
the reputed person of the locality, my lord.
Reputed, but not now.
My
Not
lord,
in this case.
only one line submission, my lordship. But IO told me, my lordship,
11 cows,
my lord, but
6,000 rupees, 11
I am not
cows.
involved, my lordship. I am not that Shafiqul, my lord. I am the reputed person of the locality, my lordship. Police mistakenly entered into my house, my lordship. And they had not served the mandatory notice under section 35(3), my lordship. But
You
the
are not
punishment is up to
arrested.
7 years, my lordship.
You are not arrested.
I am not arrested, my lordship. That's why protection is required, my
Let's
lord.
see if notice is not served. Hard learner counsel, mister.
D. Hussain, my
Let me see the CD.
lord. Notice is not served, my lord.
I'll just check the father, son of father of everything.
I
I'll
have
check.
also, my lord, caused injury to the one of the, my lord, person, my lord, who was in the boat, my lord. And that report is, my lord, previous.
I am not that Shafiqul, my lordship. I am the reputed
I'll
person of
see.
the locality, my lordship.
Shafiqul
Mistakenly,
Islam,
police entered
son
into
of-
my house, my lordship. You admitted, my lord, mistakenly, my lord.
Safiqul Islam.
And no notice, sir, my lord. Mandatory notice under 35(3) of the BNS, my lord. BNSS, my lord.
Village Bamuner Alga. Yes. Name of father similar, son similar.
My lord.
You are saying you are not Safiqul Islam, father and
My
father's
lord.
name is similar, village
My
name is
lord.
similar.
My lord, co-accused statements are not admissible in law, my lordship. It is a settled principle of law, my lordship.
Come later, come later.
My lord, please kindly consider, my lord, this
Very,
much, my
very,
lordship.
very,
It's a settled
very,
principle
very,
of law, my lordship.
very bad
And the notice
offense.
has been not served to me, my lordship. And I was in Guwahati, my lordship, in that day, my lordship.
Working in tandem with 5 other accused.
My lord,
Hard learned counsel, Mr.
D. Hussain, my lordship. The police
D.
statements
Hussain,
are not gospel truth, my lord. Kindly admit, my lord.
Islam, not police. This is the statement of co-accused. Not police statement of co-accused.
And an excerpt 2, my lordship, page 13, my lord.
Statement of co-accused. Maybe later.
My lord, co-accused statements are not admissible, my lordship. Kindly see, my lordship, and innocent people will suffer, my lordship.
Sahadat.
It will be injustice to my lord, this petitioner, my lordship. Co-accused statements are not admissible, my lord.
His injuries, bruises and abrasions on both arms, fracture or left-sided shaft of Allah, previous injuries caused by blunt weapon. Rokibul Islam, simple injuries caused by blunt weapon. Moqsed Ali, blunt weapon, simple injuries. Not one, you have injured all of them. Nazrul Islam, simple injuries by blunt weapon, and one has sustained grievous injuries.
It was dark night, my lordship. Nobody identified my lordship, and I was at Guwahati, my lordship. Kindly see page number 13, my lordship. I was not there in the place of incident, my lordship, on that day, my lord. Page 13, my lord, my petition, my lord.
Your father's name is not mentioned here. Sofiqul Islam, father's name not mentioned. Later.
My lord, kindly consider, my lordship.
You caused grievous injuries in the
My lord, but I have not caused the grievous injury, my lordship. It was dark night, my lordship. I was at dark night. My co-accused statements are not admissible, my lordship. Even my lordship, my lord judgments, my lord, in there in on position, my lord. It's a settled prejudice, my lord. Co-accused statements are not admissible, my lord. My lord has said, my lord, in lots of judgment, my lord.
If you're not the person, you won't be arrested.
My lordship, kindly give little protection, my lordship. I am ready to going to cooperate with the investigation, my lordship. I am the reputed person of the locality, my lordship.
Grievous hurt.
My lord,
After causing grievous hurt and taking away the.
my lordship, I am not that one who caused grievous hurt, my lord. And my lord, only on the basis of the co-accused statement, my lordship, and grave suspicion, my lordship. I am not that, my lord. Kindly consider that, my lord, co-accused statements are not admissible, my lordship. And I, moreover, my lord, I was not present on that night, my lordship, in the place of Gwalpara, my lord.
I'm checking.
My lord, I will be grateful, my lord.
See here. There's a bullet injury also.
My lord,
There's a bullet injury also.
my lord, it may be, my lord, but I am not that person to cause that injury, my lord. And my lord,
Revealed, my lord, his name, my lord.
my lord,
Yes, my
it is
Yes,
only on the
yes.
basis.
You have a scope. You see that father's name by the police, not by the co-accused, but the police is written as Sattar Ali. Maybe you are not the person.
My lord, that's been a suspicion, my lordship. I may be little advantage of my lordship, great suspicion, my lordship.
Not,
And only on the basis of the
not
co-accused
Abdul
statement, my
Sattar,
lord.
but Sattar Ali.
My lordship, police implicated me, my lordship, on the basis of the co-accused statement, my lordship. I am not, my father,
Given your father's name as Sattar Ali.
my lordship, my father's name is Abdul Sattar, my lordship, not Sattar Ali, my lord.
Yeah, please just given your father's name as Sattar Ali. So you are not the person.
My lord, that's why I need
Police-
protection, my lordship, before your lordship.
The correct father's name, police has given Sattar Ali. So you are not the person.
My lordship, on 2 points, my lord. Number one, my lord, my lord,
Heard learned counsel.
kindly
Bullet injury, grievous injury. Heard learned counsel, Mr. Likhilana.
my
for the
father's name is
petitioner
Abdul Sattar, my lord.
Islam.
I was out of station, my lordship, only on the basis of co-accused statement, my lord.
Filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as is apprehending arrest in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections heard Mr. Ajay Burwal, Learned Edition PP Assam. There was an incident of dacoity and the informant Rakibul Islam went to the Jolesar Bazaar to sell his cattle and while returning home with his unsold cattle, accompanied by his friends, they were attacked by a group of 7 to 8 miscreants. No, 7 to 8, no, 8 to 9, 8 to 10, 8 to 9, 10 miscreants. Full stop. Their boats were attacked by the their boat in which they were traveling were attacked by another boat carrying 8 to 10 miscreants. Most of the miscreants attacked the informant and his friends with sharp weapons causing grievous injuries, and they snatched away mobile phones and rupees 5 to 6,000 and 11 cows from the possession of the informant. The learned additional PP has raised serious objections stating that they are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. I have also scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. At this juncture, there appears to be no justified ground to extend the privilege of anticipatory bail to the petitioner. Petition stands rejected at this stage. Send back the CD. Item 26.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes, Lordship, in this case, CD was called for Lordship.
You have the CD? CD call for is not received. CD has called for is not received. Should remind- Okay. Learned Counsel, Mr.
AMS Majumdar.
AMS Mozumdar is present. Learned Additional PP, Mr. RJ Bro submitted that charge sheet has been laid against the petitioner being CS number.
But the starting number, my lord, 19/2025, dated 28/2025.
The petitioner is at liberty to approach the jurisdictional court stroke Elaka magistrate to apply for bail, which may be considered by the court in accordance with law.
Some protection only with 15. All right.
May please your lordship. See, on the last occasion, 5 of the petitioners were granted interim bail, lordship. And lordship, 2 of the petitioners as if 2 of the petitioners were not granted, as it has been mentioned that, as lordship have observed that overt act has been attributed against petitioner number 3 and 4, lordship.
What do you have? CB, you are the informant?
Yeah.
Okay, first we'll hear the PP.
Okay, I have seen in the injury report is there, 2 of the persons. One name is Ainul Haq, another name is Mainul Haq. Both of them sustained previous injury lordship, search by search weapon. Again, the witness statements are also there. They also included all the names of the names that are in the FIR lordship. And however, the persons who were in interim, the statements are.
Yes, sir.
In fact, the earlier rejection also, sir, they are in their application itself. That is reflected, there are my lord, previous injuries sustained by the my lord victims. The information, the system, the brother. Then my lord, I have filed this my lord, affidavit that is my lord, clearly there is a medical report is there, my lord. They previous injuries.
Case number? Dean PS case number 265.
The lordship, that was which the informant have filed, and we have also lost the cross.
330.
266, lordship.
Dean PS case number 330.
Lordship,
What is the case number? Dean PS 265.
265.
265.
King PS case number
Against
2.
you.
Yes, against us, lordship.
I'm not asking for the case which you have filed.
Lordship.
The statements have been recorded. I know Hawk and Minor Hawk. The victims.
Statements recorded. Victim statements are also there. Two first 2 pages.
3 and 4 won't be granted bail.
Lordship, regarding that, I have to submit, Lordship.
No, no,
No, Lordship, let me hear, Lordship.
no, no, no.
Lordship, I may be heard after that, Lordship, because Lordship, they have alleged that accused number 3
No.
and 4.
I have evidence in this victims have stated. They have named them.
Lordship, they have
Head
named them.
injury, grievous injuries on head. No, no.
No, Lordship,
Grievous, please, please. Grievous injuries on head.
Lordship, still I have to submit, Lordship, in the
No, you-
FIR, they have mentioned that the accused persons broke the electricity cable and tried to touch the cable, but with the
Then
initiative of.
justified that you will go and attack with.
No, Lordship,
lathi and rod.
firstly, the Lordship dispute is regarding a plot of land, and both of the parties are family members, Lordship. Secondly, Lordship, on that day, the entire incident happened because of the.
All are implicated. I am granting them bail. And
Lordship.
these two, no way, please. All are implicated.
Yes, Lordship,
Not
but.
that they are not implicated.
But Lordship, accused number 3 and 4, it happened only because of the instigation of the informant, Lordship. Even in the Lordship FIR, which we have lost, we have stated, Lordship, that they have tried, Lordship.
Did you sustain grievous injuries on your head?
Yes, Lordship, we have also annexed the medical documents, Lordship. And
You have sustained grievous injuries on your head.
Lordship, injuries we have sustained, and more than that, Lordship, I would
On
like
your
to
head,
only,
grievous injuries?
Lordship,
At Learned Counsel, Mr. G.R. Singha for the petitioners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the naam likhi diva, sorry. Who have filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as they are apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so seconds. Heard learned additional PP Mr. K.K. Das for the respondent state and learned counsel Mr. J.C. Bora for the informant. It is submitted that a scuffle arose relating to an incident when the goat entered into the informant's premises and started eating plants. Post of there was an incident of assault and Ainul Haq and Mainul Haq sustained grievous injuries on their head. The injuries were caused by sharp weapons. The learned recent PP has raised serious objections stating that there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioners. I have scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioners. The petitioners number 1, 2, 5, 6, and 7 are on interim bail and they have appeared before the IO and the statements have been recorded. The petitioners have not violated any bail condition. Thereby, the interim bail is hereby made absolute as it appears that custodial interrogation may not be required as investigation has progressed substantially. On the other hand, there appears to be no justified ground to extend the privilege of anticipatory bail to the petitioner number 3, Usman Ali, and the petitioner number 4. Shahjahan has also been implicated, okay?
Lordship,
He has been implicated.
Lordship, but.
Petitioner number 4, shall I cancel the bail of Shahjahan? He has also been implicated. I am granting him bail. Petitioner number 4, Romat Ali.
But Lordship may here, Lordship, page number 23 and 24,
Completed
the
passing
medical
the
documents
order.
regarding the injuries sustained by us, Lordship. May please your Lordship, I have to submit just one point, Lordship.
After passing the order,
Lordship,
I
I was
passed
looking.
the order.
Item 28, we have not. Many cases are there, Lordship.
No, here only case is there, my lord. Someone was issued. And I charge is submitted by showing me.
All right, tomorrow, they are also overburdened tomorrow.
No problem.
Learned Counsel, Learned Additional PP, Mr. K.K. Das has prayed for adjournment as he has not gone through the CD.
At 2, it may fix at
CD
2
to
as.
be retained till now.
At 2 as fixed item. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, CD to be retained till, this the matter on.
Item 29.
When delay?
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, first of all, Lordship, I'm not pressing for petition number 3 because he got the interim order, but he has not appeared before the IO. That's why I'm not pressing for it. My lord,
Why after being protected, he has not appeared before the IO? Why? He was protected and why didn't he appear before the IO? Petitioner number 3,
because he even could not establish the communication, my lord, by the other petitioner, my lord.
okay.
And this leads from 2 affairs, my lord. Basically, there are 2 affairs. Cross affairs is also there. My lord will get the first affair at page 12, which is
Huh?
Injury report.
We'll need the injury report, 109. We'll need the injury report. You are on bail, so then we'll extend you. We'll extend it.
my lord, only one.
You are on
petitioner.
interim bail.
My lord, I am not. Only one petitioner. There are 4
Yeah,
petitioners.
Scrutinizing so
For the
much.
other petitioners may be protected, my lord.
No, we'll need the injury report. See, order has been passed earlier on 24/3. That time your prayer was not considered. And now we do not have the injury report. We'll extend. Whoever has got interim bail, I'll extend. Who has got interim bail?
My lord, petitioner number 3.
Only one.
Yes.
No, he's not appeared before the IO. CDS call for is not received, issue reminder, list the matter on. Okay, CD is received without the injury report. Send back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD along with the injury report, list the matter on 24th.
Madam.
In nine.
That's all, my lord.
ये appear हुआ है.
Item 30.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship,
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord. CD may be retained, my lord. That
No,
injury report may come.
no, that CD,
My
the
lord.
investigation will be
My-
stalled.
My lord, petition number 4 and 5 are on interim protection, Lordship.
What do you have in the CD?
CD was called.
Here interim, they are on 4 and 5, they have recorded the statement. And in the injury report, Lordship, it is simple. Jahidul Islam and Abdul.
And Harun Akhtar.
Lordship, but they have, all of them have implicated this person. It is, this Sahidul Islam.
Grant them bail. They have sustained.
Simple
injuries. Grant them bail. Heard learned counsel Mr. Emma Hussain for the petitioners, Harjon Asset. The petitioners have filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as a apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. Heard Mr. KK Das, learned additional PP Assam. The allegation against the petitioners is that they have attacked Jahidul Islam, Abdul Qayyum and Harun Akhtar and caused grievous injuries on their person, on them, grievous injuries on them, full stop. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioners that a false case has been brought up against them. The learned additional PP has submitted that they are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioners. However, the injury report reveals that the injured persons have sustained simple injuries. I have also scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioners. The petitioner number 4 and 5, Namgita Likiriba, are on interim bail and their bail is hereby made absolute. On the other hand, the other petitioners, petitioner number Bakilizono Nam Likiriba, are granted pre-arrest bail in the event of the arrest. The petition shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 each with a suitable security of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. Under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and fulfill with the investigation. Number 2, the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which they are alleged, and the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission on breach of any of the bail conditions. Bail order shall stand automatically cancelled. Send back the CD.
deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Anticipated bail application, my Lordship. In this case, my Lordship, the CD is not received, my Lordship. In connection with this case, Your Lordship, the
6 accused persons were arrested and they were enlarged on bail by this honorable commander. Actually, the petitioner is the professional driver, my lordships.
We need the CD, this is anticipatory bail. CD has called for is not received, we should remind them in the matter on 25th April.
Short date will be given.
36.
25th.
25th.
He is not there, but kindly hear me on interim.
No.
Well, it's in the last occasion, your lordship, I didn't press
No,
for the
no.
interim. I have a very good case. As per the.
So you have a good case, Sasi has been
My
submitted.
lord.
Not final report, but Sasi.
My lord.
It's as per the.
Counsel, Mr. D. Agarwal, no?
DK Agarwal.
It's DK Agarwal is present for the petitioners or petitioner. Petitioner. Done in addition to Mr. B. Sharma has submitted that Sasi has been laid against the petitioner being CS number.
My lord, 67 of 25, that is 28-2.
The petitioner is at liberty to approach the jurisdiction
No,
of
ma'am.
court stroke Gallica magistrate and apply for bail, which may be considered by the court in accordance with law.
But till then, well, let's.
No,
No, after Sasi.
Because
Dispose them.
Okay, 35.
May I please also. The PRS bail application and FIR is at page 10. Next one.
My lord, before starting my colleague, my lord, here we have received that case, there is without medical report. Here medical report is very much important, my lord.
Under 109.
Yes, but injuries are serious in nature. As per the
CD is received without the
My lord.
injury report sent back. The CD call for the CD, up to date CD along with the injury report is the matter of.
My lord.
Can be, when do you want? Can be.
25th.
Yeah, it can be.
We'll return the case, man.
Yeah, of course you have to return. Otherwise investigation will
My-
during view, it will be stopped. During view, I think it
My-
will hardly work.
May I please lordship, may pass over for timely.
Timely.
I think not.
May I
That's fine.
Well, the boy is 23 years and the girl is 19 years.
What
She
did-
herself
Do
went.
you have CD? Just a minute. Do you have
Yes,
the
there
CD?
was.
My lord.
Yes.
My CD.
Salahuddin?
My lord.
Okay.
It is. Several victims were examined, madam, from whom they had taken the mother vehicle, madam. And one of the victim here, madam, 4-5 victims, madam, from them, they have taken the vehicle, madam. Here, one of the quick arrested, madam. From his statement, it was revealed.
We will examine whether in the present context of the case,
They have taken several vehicles.
no,
From-
several, they are not before the court, In the present context, whether they are, this petitioner is involved in the agreement of that AS01CC 0329 vehicle, The FIR was lost by one Biswajit Gogoi. In the context of this FIR, whether this petitioner is
Just a
involved.
moment.
Yeah.
Going through it. Maybe they have changed the number.
My lord,
Yes, this person has bought the vehicle, not bought the vehicle, took the vehicle. With promising to pay rupees 35,000 on monthly basis to
there is
Cotton
a
Das.
specific allegation against
Cotton
one.
Das and Pankaj Borua.
Yes,
Kalpajyoti Borua, Gogoi. He
the
has
FIR he
promised-
has not named.
He is not named, yes.
My lord,
But that vehicle is relating to some other vehicle, not this vehicle.
my lord.
So can be granted, I think.
But they have taken several vehicles.
But that FIR is got.
Yes, there are two vehicles he has taken,
But in the context of the present FIR, my lord,
not present vehicle.
My
But
lord.
he have taken other vehicles.
my lord.
Maybe he has changed the number.
It was also sold to Nagaland.
Hmm.
No, my lord, that press release, it has indicated the numbers, my lord, also. As per the press release that,
Okay, let me check with the press release.
yes, my lord. Page 19 is the vernacular, my lord. They have alleged that the one AS 33C 1887 has been sold.
This he has taken. Kalpajyoti Gogoi has taken that vehicle.
That vehicle, but the present vehicle is AS 04 CC 329.
That he has not, I don't know.
Yes, ma'am. The vehicle of the
But
information.
these are victims whose statements have been recorded. These are victims. He has taken by promising to pay them. rupees
I'm praying that
35,000.
the Lordship may consider at the context of the present case, my lord, whether he was involved in the taking of the vehicle of the
No,
information.
why? They are victims, victims. They are also victims.
No, he have not stated, my lord. He has not stated. He has specifically mentioned that I have handed over the vehicle to Pankaj and Cotton. If I was involved, he could have named my name also, my lord. There is an agreement between Cotton and Pankaj, Cotton and the information.
He deals with Pankaj and Cotton only.
My
You
lord,
are involved, but not in this way, connection with this
my lord.
FIR. But your press release is correct.
Yes, my lord.
That press release is correct. You cannot, in case you file a Manhani case, you won't get any relief.
I'm paying for bail in the context of the present case, my lord. If that other victim, they file any hazard,
Learned Counsel, Mr.
P. Hazarika.
P. Hazarika for the petitioner Kalpajit Gogoi alias Kalpajit who has filed an application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as is apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. Part Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP Assam. The allegation against the petitioner is that he is involved in taking away vehicles by promising to pay rupees 35,000 to the owners of the vehicles. But post of it. The learned addition PP has submitted that there are incriminating materials in the case diary that the petitioner has been involved in taking away vehicles from several victims for with promising to pay monthly rent of rupees 35,000, and these vehicles are sold in Nagaland. Mostly sold in Nagaland. I have also scrutinized the case diary. There are incriminating materials relating to the petitioner's complicity in taking away vehicles from other victims. However, the petitioner has, however, the petitioner has approached this court with prayer for pre-arrest bail, as there was a press release which has tarnished the image of the petitioner as a car theft,
Interstate car lift.
as a car theft, no, petitioner, as he was linked with several car thefts.
17 member, please 17 member.
As he was linked with several car thefts. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that there is a specific allegation in the petition or in the FIR against Pankaj Borua and Cotton Das, but no overt act has been attributed to the present petitioner. Because of the vehicle is relating to the vehicle is relating, the vehicle stolen, alleged to have been stolen is AS 04CC 0329, comma, a Bolero Max pickup vehicle, full stop. Investigation has progressed substantially. The merits of this case are not brought to the fore as the investigation is still under progress. It appears that custodial interrogation may not be required. Considering all aspects, the their petition is allowed. In the event of his arrest, the petitioner shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 50,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. Under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation. The petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. The petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged, and the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. On breach of any of the bail conditions, the pre-arrest bail shall automatically stand cancelled, sent back the CD.
Obligation.
May I please your lordship, it's a pre-arrest bail application. FIR starts from page number 13, lordship.
Do you have the
Case,
CD?
case diary was called for lordship.
On Pordon was a PS case number 7575.
575, lordship. Lordship, it's a lengthy FIR, lordship. What has actually happened, lordship? The brief fact is that on 4/12/2022, lordship, a bachelor party was going on at Solapara Punjabi colony near Nehru Stadium, lordship. And the police, while patrolling during the night hours, had an heated exchange of words with some of the persons which were present at that party, lordship. And thereafter, it is alleged in the FIR that some of the young persons verbally abused and assaulted the police, lordship. Lordship, thereafter, what has happened, lordship? Page 19, annexure number 2, lordship. A video recording wherein the alleged incident was recorded was seized by the IO, lordship. And these 3 petitioners which are before your lordship were seen in that alleged video, and they are being constantly called by the police, lordship.
Yes, what do you have?
I have the lordship, could be reported there, the IO lordship. This is the informant, complainant, Sumanta Roy. It is grievous lordship.
Grievous injury.
Grievous, and in it, IO lordship, it is the case,
Let me see.
Yes. And moreover, he has incident also.
Lordship,
he is in currently treating in Hyderabad.
Lord,
He is, for his treatment of his hair, he is in Hyderabad.
lordship, this video, which was the basis of this FIR, lordship, it has, it was
Somebody was
seized.
shouting for his pre-arrest bail. I don't know who, I don't remember.
It was seized after a period of 2 years, lordship. Lordship, and all the sections which
Sumanta
are
Roy, 29 years old, physical assault by mob, 15 people. Perforation seen, margin irregular, congested and serrated, ear, left ear, right. Previous PTA, blunt. Sumanta Roy.
Lordship, I have no active role in that assault.
I'll
lordship.
just
As per
check.
the instruction,
I'll just check.
these 3 petitioners, lordship.
But I have not found this person in just policy.
Jaspal Singh.
Other
Jaspal
persons names are there.
Singh and Rajbir Singh, lordship.
His name is there. Was Rajbir Singh name is there. Karan Singh is named by all of them.
Lordship, the party was given by him, lordship. That is why they have named him, lordship. Otherwise, he is not involved in that incident, lordship. The video will make it clear, lordship.
Karan Singh and Rajbir Singh's name is there, but we do not have Jaspal Singh. Jaspal Singh's name.
Karan Singh, lordship, he has conducted that party, lordship. Otherwise, he has no active involvement in that case, Lordship. In that assault, Lordship. Moreover, Lordship was pleased to grant bail to two accused persons also, Lordship. I have annexed it at page number 22, annexure number 4, Lordship. Sandeep Singh and Vijay Singh, Lordship.
Their names are also there.
Sandeep
Sandeep
Singh
and
was
Vijay.
identified on that day itself, Lordship.
I have granted bail.
Yes, Lordship.
Anticipatory bail.
Yes, anticipatory bail, Lordship. Page number 22, annexure number 4, Lordship.
Allegations are serious, Lordship. One of the IO has, they have previously hurt him.
Lordship, it was done by Sandeep Singh. He was identified in that spot only, Lordship. And he is the FIR named accused also, Lordship.
Give a wrong message to the society.
Lordship, he was granted bail, Lordship, at that period of time in the 2023 year itself, Lordship was pleased to grant him bail, Lordship, because there your Lordship was pleased to observe that investigation has progressed substantially, Lordship. After a period
I just observe it to grant bail.
Lordship, after a period of 2 years, they are looking for me, Lordship. By this year, the investigation was supposed to be completed, Lordship.
Where did I grant bail to Sandeep Singh? Let me check. On what ground?
Lordship, at annexure 4, page
He
number
is
20.
very much implicated.
Lordship, Karan Singh only just arranged the party, Lordship, because his marriage was to be conducted on 18 December 2022.
To look into the FIR, Lordship, they are creating, consuming alcohol on the public roads and using vulgar language is creating a chaotic situation. Lordship.
But their Lordship, in the FIR, 12-15% have been mentioned, Lordship.
They not an encyclopedia. FIR is not an encyclopedia. They also snatched the government mobile phone. They have not.
Now, who is before us? Karan Singh?
Karan Singh, Jaspal Singh, and Rajveer Singh, Lordship. Lordship,
Who was throwing his party, marriage party?
Karan Singh, Lordship.
He is implicated.
Lordship, as he has thrown the party, Lordship, his name has been figured out, Lordship. Otherwise, it would have not been. Because he gave the party, Lordship. Otherwise, he was not involved in that assault, Lordship. Lordship, it's an old pending FIR, Lordship. Lordship, they are the sole bread earners for their family, Lordship. They will cooperate with the investigation, Lordship, if a chance is given. And they will face the trial, Lordship. Let them appear before the IO, Lordship, and record their statements and get their statements
The
recorded.
main two accused are granted bail.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, moreover, petitioner number 2 and 3, their drivers are GMC, Lordship. So there is no chance of absconding also, Lordship. Although their work
Just a
nature is
moment.
contractual, Lordship. I have annexed the ID cards also, Lordship.
Who is the driver in GMC?
Lordship, petitioner number 2 and 3, both of them. Lordship, they are still working, Lordship.
Yes,
And
yes.
they-
These two will grant, I'll grant bail, but not the current thing.
Lordship, Karan Singh just thrown the party, Lordship. If there are any allegation, Lordship, I don't know what is in the CD, Lordship, but
If he has
he's-
formed the party, then he should control all the
His name
members.
is there.
He have called not.
Lordship, he was just there, Lordship, but he was not
Your
active
name.
as Paul, Lordship.
Our learned counsel, Mr. S. Paul, for the petitioners, agree with me, Indian also, who have filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for prayers bail as they are apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. Our learned additional PP, Mr. K. Das, for the respondent state. The learned stop, the learned additional PP has submitted that they are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. The petitioners, petitioners, I have also scrutinized the case diary. There are incriminating materials in the case diary. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioners Jaspal Singh and Rajbir Singh that they are drivers working under the GMCH.
GMC, Lordship, Guwahati Municipal Corporation.
Under the under the Guwahati Municipal Corporation. If they are forwarded to custody, they may be terminated from their employment. It is submitted that the petitioner, Karan Singh, was the one who whose marriage party was organized.
Marriage party was on 18 December
Oh.
2022. Bachelor party he
Whose
organized.
bachelor party was organized on the relevant day. Full stop. The learned additional PP has raised serious objections stating that the victim is a police personnel and on being attacked by the petitioners and his associates, the victim has sustained grievous injuries and his grievous injuries on his ear. I have also scrutinized the medical legal report. Considering all aspects, the petition with prayer for pre-arrest bail of the petitioner Karan Singh is rejected at this juncture. In the event of the arrest of the petitioner number 2 Jaspal Singh and petitioner number 3 Rajbir Singh, they shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 each with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation. The petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which they are alleged. The petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. On breach of any of the bail conditions, bail order shall stand cancelled. Send back the CD.
Much obliged.
My lord, second time, my lord, your lordship, that my lord, the one Kacha house was my lord, actually, this lady was selling the liquor, my lord, and because of that, some unsocial element, your lordship rejected it. But now we have compensated her house already, we have, my lord, and a compromise is made by additional affidavit. I have got it by the additional affidavit, my lord. Hi, sir. Can you the phone? Your name is.
Where is the FIR?
Yes, FIR is page 9. Page 9 now. And page, my lord, your lordship will find my case is page, there are 4 and 5. Young boys, my lord, comes to that house, that shop, my lord, and they come and they make this hue and cry. Local people came, and ultimately, that was.
Affidavit, page,
Yes,
paragraph?
yes. No, affidavit, your lordship kindly see, my lord, that the page 24. Paragraph 3, my lord.
what do you have to say?
My lord,
So tell I have given young, my poor lady, my lord, that we also understand, my lord. But
yes, I lord rejected after going to the.
no, that's true, my lord, that's true, my lord.
They find the.
Okay, this is motion state.
Motion state.
We'll go for the CD and grant PRS bail.
That affidavit we also put it before the matter, I will also. So.
Already money, they have received the money already.
Senior counsel, Mr. H.R. Chaudhary for the petitioners,
ওর নাম তো লিখে দিও।
assisted by, yes, whose name?
Madam, that your lordship may write her name, madam. She has come newly.
Assisted by learned counsel, Miss Borsa Borabod, B.B. Bordelais. For the petitioners, the petitioners, Ashok Chaudhary and Prasanta Das have filed an application. It will very case number AB 519 of 2025. Order dated 25/2025. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, now change to I can not leave it to a piece of. Paragraph 3, paragraph 4, an additional affidavit has been filed. An additional affidavit has been filed that the petitioners have paid some compensation of rupees 1,40,000 to the victim. To the
Informant.
To the informant. The petitioners are also willing to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation. It appears that interim bail will be granted to the petitioners. Call for the city, list the matter on. Meanwhile, in the interim and in the event of the arrest, the petitioners shall be announced on bail of rupees 50,000 each with the double surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. Under the condition that the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which they are alleged.
9th of May.
Failing which bail order shall automatically stand cancelled.
Affidavit is item 41.
May I plead your lordships? My lord, this is a pre-arrest bail application, my lord. The FIR, your lordship will find at page 16, my lord, 16, my lord. Basically, it is a dispute of family class, my lord. Page 16, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the fact of the case is that, my lord, the petitioner number 1, 2, 3, they are brothers, my lord. And they stay in the same campus, my lord.
Just a moment. Yes, family dowry case. Martin
Has forwarded it to the shopkeeper and they're very good relation. She said, I have some other marketing also. So pay me 2,500. He has given that 2,500 also. That much of relation, lordship, with a shopkeeper, that much of relation that shopkeeper has given 2,500 to her for the rest of the marketing, lordship. And after that, not getting that money through the NFT or lordship, this affair is filed. And a 19 years girl, she is not well. She was in hospital for a long time. I have given all the documents. She is behind the bar, lordship. I'll not go to any facts, lordship. This is a case, lordship. This is a violation of human rights, lordship. Nothing else. And what they do, lordship, they have received this affair, lordship. Lordship can see at page 35.
Page 35, yes.
Yes, this is the vernacular. I'll read. আজি দিনৰ 11:45 বজাত অপপক্ষ গৰাকী মোৰ দোকানলৈ আহি 4,700 টকাৰ কাপোৰ ক্ৰয় কৰি আৰু নগদ 2,500 টকা লাগে বুলি কৈ আদায় লয়। মুঠ 7,002 টকা অপৰপক্ষ মোবাইলৰ পৰা মোৰ ইমান নম্বৰ মোবাইলৰ ফোন পেৰ জৰিয়তে চেণ্ড কৰিছিল। মোৰ মোবাইলত অপৰপক্ষই দিয়া টকা চেণ্ড কৰি স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট কপি মোলৈ পঠিয়াই দি বিশ্বাসজনক ব্যস্ততা দেখুৱাই কাপোৰৰ টোপোলাটো লৈ উধাও হয়। Lordship, this is filed on 7/4/2003, 2025. Lordship, next page, page 36. Lordship, you can see, this is file 7/4/25. Down below. It was written by someone else. Now, Lordship, may please come to page 30.
Page 30.
Yes. These sections are in the top. 61(2), 3184, 3162. Maximum punishment is 7 years. And then it was registered, Lordship, you can see, at 11:45 hours. It is 7/4/2025 at 14:23. And she was arrested immediately within an hour.
Yeah, notice.
Within an hour, Lordship. She was there in home, Lordship. Why she will flavor? 7,500 rupees, 7,200 rupees, a reputed family, Lordship. 19 years old girl, Lordship. Lordship, see nothing else, Lordship. This is something. Lordship, my learned professor wants to show some document, page 42 and all, no ground, nothing. I am not on that, Lordship. This is nothing. It's a frivolous case, my lord. They can call the mother or the father, give me 7,200 rupees. That's fine.
If I look at the FIR, Lordship, here the main allegation is that they have shown the screenshot of money being sent to the
Yes.
complainant, but it has not been sent.
Yes,
Lordship.
they-
Moreover, if you look into the page number 39, Lordship,
Yes.
39 is the forwarding report, Lordship. Here the thing is that, Lordship, in point number 3, during examination and initial investigation of this case, it is found that there have a huge network of these illegal activities in Lakhimpur district in many districts and places of Assam. Moreover, in point number 4, I will only read out 2 points, Lordship. And for point number 4, the arrested accused person and our associate have committed many such type of crime in various places of Assam and various places under Lakhimpur district. So the girl may be 19 years, it may be, but as per the forwarding report, she have committed many other crimes like the same way that the screenshot has been shown, money is paid, but it has not been paid. So it comes in the initial, it is in the initial stage of the investigation, Lordship.
Lordship, it's a stereotype. Lordship, may come to page 42. Within 1 hour, they have done all these whole network of Assam and everything. Lordship, they get page 42. Lordship, may please come. At bottom of the A, 3 line from the bottom, D, capital D. Date and time of arrest, 7/4/25 at 3:40. The registration of affair as 2:40. 1 hour, they have done everything.
Very prompt.
The whole, very prompt, Lordship, nowadays, very prompt, and this is the all stereotype, just copy paste from one case to another, this is from another case, the same thing is there in the another case, this forwarding, I'll take that certified copy and show your Lordship.
Moreover, I only pointed another thing, Lordship. In page number 33, our opposite party name is Srimati Sumitra.
My name is not there in the
Yeah,
affair.
I will read, Lordship, what is stated here. In the page 39 only, Lordship, the brief of the case is that so that the accused person, Sumitra, this is her true caller name, user of phone number, her number, and later identified her as Haripriya Gogol. She has a different name is there. In the
But I have not paid.
It
That is
Sumitra,
what
Lordship.
my phone is not working, someone else has paid. That is what this is confession lawsuit. That my phone is not working, someone else has paid and sent me the screenshot. I have given it to her. And then, Lordship, if the relation is not there, some shopkeeper will give the 2,500 rupees to her for the rest of the marketing. That is, their bill is 4,200. 2,500 is paid to her for the rest of the marketing. Go and finish the marketing and go to home. And then this thing.
Phone number to move it, page 40.
Lordship, it is page 42. The phone number is very clear. This is not my phone number, Lordship. Page 42. In the top, Lordship. Page number 42.
This is my phone number.
This is my phone number. The other phone number has, this is not, the other phone number is not there. Sumitra is some other phone number also. When my phone is seized already. Everything is there. Why to arrest? Why to keep her in the jail, Lordship, for 7,200 rupees? It's something out of Lordship.
Anish Kumar ke follow kore.
No Anish Kumar, no until nothing. I will not say all this, Lordship, my dear. But this is not done, Lordship. Not as no notice, nothing. They can call the family man, come, there is an affair, you pay the amount. A small girl and all this, Lordship can see from these are blatant violation. Why 41, 42, all violation. Lordship can see from page 51 onward. All these are the prescription of her. She is a girl of 19 years. She was under treatment from 51 to 60. All these are prescription of dependent. And all these was placed for bail before the trial court. This is not done. This is all these different hospital Lordship. She is suffering. A 19 years old girl Lordship. And no criminal antecedent Lordship. Not a single.
She's having psychiatric treatment also.
Yes.
Yes.
Neurosis.
She is problem of psychiatric problem, Lordship.
Neurosis.
Okay then. All right.
19 years old girl.
19 years old.
Unheard of.
Just cost her just attained majority. Third learned senior counsel Mr. S. Soma for the petitioner. Haripriya Gogoi, who has filed his application under section 483 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for bail as she is behind bars since 7.
Since 6 Lordship, but this shown, it was shown as 7th Lordship.
Okay. Since 7/4/2025 in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections, had Mr. K.K. Das, learned additional PP Assam. The learned additional PP has raised serious objection against the bail. It is submitted that against the bail petition litigant. It is submitted that without perusal without scrutinizing the CD, bail cannot be granted to the petitioner. As trial court has rejected the bail petition. CJM or trial court?
Yes.
As learned CJM has already rejected the bail petition of earlier bail petition of the petitioner. Next paragraph. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner is only 19 years old and she is suffering from various ailments. Annexure.
Annexure 10 call it Lordship. At page 51. Collectively.
Annexure 10 series are the medical documents submitted by the petitioner to substantiate that she is suffering from various ailments, including psychiatric treatment.
Yes.
The allegation against the petitioner is that she went to the informant shop and purchased garments and thereby paid and thereby assured the informant that she has paid rupees 4,700, which was actually not paid to the informant. But what was shown? Just a
screenshot.
Oh, but screenshot was shown to the informant that she has paid. Full stop. Further, she has borrowed rupees 2,500 from the informant, and thereafter she disappeared. This impelled the informant to lodge the FIR. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that without issuance of notice, the petitioner has been forwarded to custody in an offense, in connection with offense which are below 7 years. Full stop. Moreover, anything else? Grounds of arrest.
Yes.
Shown or not shown?
No, not shown here.
Not shown,
Section
not shown.
37.
Were also not shown to the petitioner. It appears that bail may be granted to the petitioner called Nalai. The petitioner is enlarged on bail of rupee. It appears that custodial interrogation may not be required for further investigation. Considering all aspects, the petitioner is enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the CGM Kamrup or CGM Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur, under the condition that the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged, the petitioner shall cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation,
Yes.
and the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. On breach of any of the bail conditions, the court is at liberty to cancel the bail grant.
Only a small prayer, Lordship. The registry will communicate, Lordship. Otherwise, she will be there behind the bar, Lordship. Otherwise, I'll take the certified copy.
Certified copy.
The Lordship will give the certified copy at least, Lordship.
Today itself, it will.
Yes, Lordship.
Not today, yet maybe tomorrow.
If it is online,
It's
Lordship,
up to
you can
her.
get it and
Maybe
small
tomorrow.
car, Lordship, in the jail, that's right.
I cannot assure because you see, there are so many cases and we have.
They are very
to face.
efficient, Lordship. I mean. They can prepare and Lordship and say.
They are overburdened.
Yeah, I know, Lordship. That's it. I'm grateful, Lordship.
My lord, the last item, possibly if your lordship fix it tomorrow, some information my learned friend will be
Solid?
provided.
I don't think so.
Well, in that case, can you give me at 2? At 2, I'll.
At two,
At 2. Okay.
yes.
Yes. At 2. Tomorrow, or at 2. It will agate uliya diba, huh?
Obliged, much obliged. Thank you.